You know you want to make this burger. Here at Urban Accents, we love a Cubano sandwich, so we have decided to make a burger inspired by it. I'm Sarah Beth, and I'm going to show you how to make an Ancho chili pork burger at home. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground pork, some chopped green onion, the whole pouch of Ancho chili seasoning, some Swiss cheese slices, and your favorite hamburger bun. This recipe is very simple. Add the whole packet of seasoning, add your green onion, and then combine it all together. Once everything is combined, we're gonna make 4 even patties. Once you have your 4 patties, you'll put them directly onto the grill. We're using an indoor smokeless grill because it is snowing in Chicago today. It's been about 6 minutes. Time to flip these patties. Oh, they are so smoky. This seasoning is also just a little bit sweet, and there are 2 kinds of chilies in there. It's really bold, and it's got some warm spices, some cloves, and some allspice, so it's also a little bit sharp. It's earthy, and it's complex, and it's good. We're gonna take some slices of Swiss cheese and put them right on top while that second side grills. It was 6 minutes on the second side, so we're ready to pull these off. Let's build a burger. Start with your favorite hamburger bun. We like pretzel buns. We're gonna put a little mayo on the bottom. This burger is indulgent in many ways, and mayo is one of my favorites. Next is one of our Swiss covered pork patties. We'll add some red onion, some pickles, another nod to the Cubano sandwich. We're going super indulgent today, folks. Here comes a fried egg. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, but I'm going in. Wow. That is really intense in the best way. The warm spices from the seasoning are the thing that you get at first, and then there's a little heat to cut through all the fattiness. The pork is so juicy. What a delicious burger. If you like this one, you should try all of our other burger seasonings. For recipes and more, go to urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen. We're going all the way today, y'all, so here comes a fried egg. Oh.